Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Maria here, and today I'll talk to you guys about something that is getting a lot of attention lately is AlphaBites, and I'll tell you everything about the supplement, but not just that, I'll also share my personal experience. And no guys, I'm not a dude, okay? But my boyfriend used it, and I'll tell you guys how it worked for us. So whether you're curious about its benefits for blood flow, energy, or sexual performance, let's get into it. But before we go further, just a quick reminder. The original AlphaBites is only sold on the official website. And there's a lot of copies out there, and if you don't want that, you want to be sure you're getting the real deal. And that's why I've left the same official link we used in the description of this video and comment, okay? Now, what is AlphaBites and why all the buzz? Well, AlphaBites is a male supplement that works by improving how blood flows in the body, which is super important for performance. And it boosts circulation and helps muscles in the blood vessels relax thanks to nitric oxide. This means better energy and stamina, all thanks to its cool mix of nature ingredients like vitamin C, beet root, maca root, and horny goat weed. It's all about getting things flow smoothly to where it matters the most. Now, let me tell you a bit about our speaks. Bruce and I never had problems in bed, but one of these days we came across a guy who said amazing things about it. So, of course, we got intrigued and decided to check out for ourselves. And I have fast, I was skeptical, but after Bruce started using it, the difference was clear. He felt more energetic and his confidence skyrocketed. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but the gradual improvements were undeniable. And about the sexual performance, well guys, let's just say that this supplement does for this problems, okay? And I saw a lot of people like, is it safe? How do you use it? And these are great questions. So AlphaBites is formulated from 100% natural ingredients. It's FDA approved and GMP certified, so it's completely safe. And guys, how to use it? It couldn't be easier, okay? You just have to take one capsule every day and that's it. So, if you're on the fence about trying AlphaBites, I definitely say go for it. It's natural, easy to use, it can really make a difference in your life in general, but specifically on your sexual life. Plus, if you don't like it, you can ask for your money back because they actually have a 180-day money-back guarantee. Guys, it's 6 months, so there's no risks. Just remember, only buy from the official website. Otherwise, you won't have this guarantee, okay? But that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or if you just want to share your experience, leave a comment so we can talk about it. And if you're curious enough and want to give AlphaBites a try, check out the link in the description, okay? See you next time.